Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that many of you have been asking about: how to remove blackheads effectively. Blackheads are one of the most common skincare concerns out there, and they can be super frustrating to deal with. But don't worry, I've got you covered. In this video, I'm going to share with you 5 of my favorite DIY tips to help you banish those pesky blackheads for good. We're going to talk about everything from steaming and clay masks to pore strips and chemical exfoliants. By the end of this video, you'll be well on your way to clearer, smoother, and more radiant skin. So let's get started. Alright guys, let's start with one of the most classic and effective ways to get rid of blackheads: steaming. This age-old technique has been a staple in skincare routines for generations. Steaming is like giving your face a nice warm hug that helps to loosen up all the gunk trapped inside your pores. It's a soothing and relaxing process that can make a big difference in your skin's appearance. Think of it this way: blackheads are basically just oil, dead skin cells, and other impurities that have oxidized and hardened within your pores. They can be stubborn and unsightly, but steaming can help tackle them effectively. When you apply heat and moisture to your skin through steaming, it softens these hardened plugs, making them much easier to remove. The warmth opens up your pores, allowing the impurities to loosen and come to the surface. Now, you don't need any fancy equipment for this. You can easily do it at home with items you already have. A simple pot of boiling water will do the trick. It's accessible and effective. Just bring a pot of water to a boil. Carefully pour it into a heat-safe bowl and drape a towel over your head to create a little steam tent. This will help concentrate the steam on your face. Make sure the water isn't too hot. You don't want to burn yourself. Always test the temperature before leaning over the bowl. Lean over the bowl for about 5 to 10 minutes, allowing the steam to work its magic on your pores. Breathe deeply and relax during this time. But remember, steaming is just the first step. It's important to follow up with the right skincare routine. After steaming, your pores will be nice and open, making it the perfect time to gently coax out those blackheads. This is when your skin is most receptive to treatments. You can use a blackhead extractor tool for this, but please be gentle. Aggressive extraction can cause damage. I cannot stress this enough. Your skin is delicate and needs to be treated with care. You don't want to damage your skin. Always be mindful of the pressure you apply. Make sure your tool is clean and sterilized before and after each use to prevent bacteria from spreading. Hygiene is crucial in skincare, and if you're not comfortable using an extractor tool, that's totally fine. There are other methods you can try. There are plenty of other ways to remove blackheads. From removal strips to gentle exfoliants, find what works best for you and your skin type. Let's move on to another amazing DIY solution for blackheads: clay masks. These masks have been a staple in skincare routines for ages, and for good reason. Clay masks are like little magnets for all the bad stuff in your pores. They have a unique ability to attract and bind to impurities, making them an excellent choice for deep cleansing. They work by drawing out excess oil, dirt, and impurities, leaving your skin feeling clean, refreshed, and oh so smooth. It's like giving your face a fresh start every time you use one. There are 2 types of clay masks that I particularly love for banishing blackheads: bentonite clay and green clay. Each has its own unique properties that make it effective. Bentonite clay is a powerhouse ingredient that's been used for centuries to detoxify and purify the skin. It's derived from volcanic ash and is rich in minerals. It's super absorbent and has a slightly gritty texture, which helps to gently exfoliate dead skin cells. This dual action of absorption and exfoliation makes it a favorite for many. Green clay is another fantastic option, known for its ability to absorb excess oil and minimize the appearance of pores. It's particularly great for those with oily or combination skin. To use a clay mask, simply mix the clay powder with a little bit of water or apple cider vinegar to form a paste. The consistency should be smooth and easy to apply. Apply a thin layer to your entire face or just to your T-zone, where blackheads tend to be most prominent. The T-zone includes your forehead, nose, and chin. Leave the mask on for 10 to 15 minutes or until it dries completely. This allows the clay to fully absorb impurities and excess oil from your skin. As the mask dries, you'll actually feel it tightening on your skin, and that's a good sign. This tightening effect is the clay contracting as it pulls out impurities. It means the clay is working its magic to draw out all the impurities. You'll notice the mask cracking as it dries, which is completely normal. Once the mask is dry, Gently rinse it off with lukewarm water and pat your skin dry. Be sure to follow up with a moisturizer to keep your skin hydrated. You can use a clay mask 1 to 2 times a week, depending on your skin's needs. Regular use can help keep blackheads at bay and your skin looking its best. If you have sensitive skin, start with once a week and see how your skin reacts. Adjust the frequency based on how your skin feels and responds to the treatment. Chapter 3. Pore strips, instant gratification but use with caution. Okay, let's talk about pore strips. We've all seen them, those little sticky strips that promise to remove blackheads instantly. And you know what? They can be pretty satisfying to use. There's something oddly gratifying about peeling off a pore strip and seeing all those little blackheads stuck to it. But here's the thing about pore strips. They're a bit of a double-edged sword. On the one hand, pore strips can provide a quick fix for blackheads, especially if you have an event coming up and want to minimize their appearance. They work by adhering to the surface of your skin and pulling out blackheads, dead skin cells, and other debris. However, it's important to use pore strips with caution. The adhesive on pore strips can be quite strong, and if you use them too often or aggressively, they can irritate your skin, strip away natural oils, and even enlarge your pores over time. So, my advice is to use pore strips sparingly, no more than once a week, and only on areas where you have a lot of blackheads. And remember, pore strips are not a long-term solution for blackheads. They only remove what's on the surface of your skin, not the underlying causes of blackheads, such as excess oil production and clogged pores. Chapter 4. Chemical exfoliants, the holy grail of blackhead removal. Now let's get into the real MVPs of blackhead removal chemical exfoliants. These powerful ingredients are game changers in the world of skincare. If you're serious about getting rid of blackheads and achieving clear, smooth skin, you need to incorporate chemical exfoliants into your skincare routine. They work at a deeper level than physical exfoliants, providing more effective and long-lasting results. Trust me on this one. Your skin will thank you for making the switch. Unlike physical exfoliants, which can be harsh and abrasive, chemical exfoliants use gentle acids to dissolve the bonds that hold dead skin cells together, revealing brighter, smoother, and more even-toned skin. This process not only helps in removing blackheads, but also enhances the overall texture and appearance of your skin. And the best part? They also work wonders for preventing and treating blackheads. Regular use can keep your pores clear and reduce the likelihood of future breakouts. When it comes to blackheads, there are 2 types of chemical exfoliants that I highly recommend: salicylic acid, which is a BHA, and glycolic acid, which is an AHA. Each has unique properties that make them effective in different ways. Salicylic acid is oil-soluble, meaning it can penetrate deep into your pores to dissolve oil, dirt, and dead skin cells, making it a superstar ingredient for treating blackheads and preventing future breakouts. It's particularly beneficial for those with oily or acne-prone skin. Glycolic acid, on the other hand, is water-soluble and works on the surface of your skin to exfoliate dead skin cells, improve skin texture, and minimize the appearance of pores. It's great for promoting a more even skin tone and a radiant complexion. You can find salicylic acid and glycolic acid in a variety of skincare products, including cleansers, toners, serums, and masks. This makes it easy to incorporate them into your existing routine without too much hassle. I recommend starting with a gentle toner or serum that contains either salicylic acid or glycolic acid and using it 2 to 3 times a week, depending on your skin's tolerance. This allows your skin to gradually adjust to the new ingredients. As your skin gets used to it, you can gradually increase the frequency or try a product with a higher concentration. Consistency is key, and over time, you'll notice a significant improvement in your skin's clarity and texture. Chapter 5. Consistency is key your daily skincare routine. Last but not least, let's talk about the importance of a consistent daily skincare routine. Remember guys, skincare is not a one-time thing. It's about creating healthy habits that will benefit your skin in the long run. And when it comes to preventing and treating blackheads, consistency is key. So what does a good daily skincare routine for blackhead-prone skin look like? It's all about keeping your skin clean, balanced, and hydrated without overdoing it. Here's what I recommend. 1. Cleanse. Start your day and end your night by washing your face with a gentle cleanser. Look for a cleanser that's specifically formulated for oily or acne-prone skin. Avoid harsh soaps or cleansers that can strip your skin of its natural oils, as this can actually trigger your skin to produce more oil, leading to clogged pores and breakouts. 2. Moisturize. Yes, even oily and acne-prone skin needs moisture. After cleansing, apply a lightweight, oil-free moisturizer to keep your skin hydrated and balanced. Look for moisturizers that are labeled as non-comedogenic, which means they won't clog your pores. 3. Sunscreen. Never, ever, ever skip sunscreen. Sunscreen is not only essential for protecting your skin from harmful UV rays, but it can also help to prevent blackheads from darkening and becoming more noticeable. Choose a broad-spectrum sunscreen with an SPF of 30 or higher, and apply it every single day, rain or shine. Chapter 6. See ya later, blackheads. And there you have it. 5 effective ways to remove blackheads. Remember, consistency is key. Incorporate these tips into your skincare routine and be patient. You won't see results overnight, but with time and dedication, you'll start to notice a difference in your skin's clarity and texture. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next video.